Well, hi there, Julie here, and congratulations, you have ordered your first set of Riman K-Beauty skincare, and I know you're gonna love it. I have started my routine already this morning. I'm gonna show you exactly how to use these products. But I wanted to get started because if you started with the Snow Enzyme Cleanser, you're gonna simply rub it on a dry face, and then you're going to watch. Notice how I didn't put it on my eyes, but I put it all around my eyes. And then you're gonna watch it do its magic here. The enzymes on this just kind of eat away at your dead skin, and it's powerful. So anyway, you may have started with the Snow Enzyme Cleanser. You may have started with the oil cleanser. If you started with the oil cleanser, then you're gonna take 2 pumps, put it in your hand, rub it all over your face, massage it into your skin for about 30 seconds, and then take just a dab of water and put it on your face, and it kind of suds up. And then you can rinse it off with either your hands or your washcloth, whatever you prefer. I love to use washcloths. If you're not already using these microfiber washcloths from Saint, they're amazing. But anyway, here's what's happening with the Snow Enzyme Cleanser, and you feel like tingling. It's like little tingles all over your skin, but notice how it's disappearing. It's amazing. You can use this in the shower. You can use this once a day or twice a day, but here's what I want you to know. If your skin feels tight, if it's more dry, it could be too much for you. So you may not be able to use this every single day. You might be better off to rotate in the morning and use the oil cleanser. So experiment. Okay, this lovely product is almost gone. So I am going to rinse it off. Hold on a sec. Okay, I rinsed this all off, and the Korean women love to double cleanse. So at night, you take off your makeup, and you can use this oil cleanser to take off your makeup. It kind of melts away your makeup. But if you've got sensitive eyes, just use water. Just use water or micellar water. I got a couple products I can recommend. I can't use this on my eyes. My eyes are just super sensitive. So you've cleansed in the morning. You just need to use one cleanser. At night, we recommend double cleansing. So you can double cleanse with this and your cleanup powder, or with the cleansing oil and your enzyme cleanser, or with your enzyme cleanser and your active cleanup powder. This is pretty crazy stuff. It's just a powder. And then you're gonna put a little bit of water to it. Let me just show you here. And it suds this all up, okay? And then you just put it all over, rinse it off, okay? So really, really easy. All right. I'll probably talk the most about that. Then you want to do your anti-aging, and this Booster Serum combo is power. These are powerhouses. I like to take 2 squirts, 2 spritzes, pat it all over my face. Notice I get right around my eyes. We don't need to add a separate eye cream, right? Make sure you hit your neck. Let it kind of dry for a second. Then you're going to take this serum loaded with Beyond Pool, lava water with the Asiatica centella plant, and again, just a couple of drops. Put it all over your face. Okay, around your eyes, up on your neck, followed by 2 more spritzes of the booster. Now you can spritz this right on your face if you like. I just like to do it in my hand. I feel like I don't waste as much product, and so that's how I do it. All right, again, all over. Then we're gonna follow that up depending upon what you ordered. If you ordered the sunscreen, of course, ladies, in the morning, I recommend everyone use sunscreen. I've loved this. At the time of this recording, I've been in Arizona for 6 weeks, and I wear it every single day. One day, I didn't put it on. It was cloudy. I didn't think I needed it. Got a little too much sun on my nose. So anyway, this is about how much you use. I put it on all over my face right before that EX cream. If you didn't get it, then you're gonna move right to your EX cream. And you got a little spatula. I don't have my spatula with me. Does not take much, a little bit. And your skin, ladies, may feel super tacky at first. You are gonna be doing something called restoring your skin's barrier. So your skin is gonna have to adapt. Don't freak out if you go, oh, this is too tacky for my skin. My skin felt tacky for about a week. But it says, actually, they say that it takes you about 3 weeks to restore your skin's barrier. So it's just going to take a little bit of adjustment. And then you're good to go, all right? It really should just take you about 2 minutes. So you're going to cleanse. You're going to do booster, serum booster, followed by your sun protection if you ordered it, and then your EX cream. That's your morning routine. And then at night, you're gonna do double cleansing. Use whichever cleansers you want, or if you just started with one, do that. And then you're gonna do your Boost Boo, followed by your EX cream. That's your ritual. And take a picture. Take a picture when you start. Stand about this far away from good lighting. Best to stand in front of a mirror, not a mirror, a window. And then just using that good light, take a close-up. You might even want to take a side view, and then take another one 2 weeks afterwards, and another one 28 days or 38 days afterwards, because a lot of times we don't see the difference, but when you compare photos, you really can see the difference that the skincare makes. So reach out with any questions. Enjoy your new Riman skincare.